Well, let's start the session for today, team. Rest of the people can join parallelly. So, first of all, good evening, every one of you, and a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings. I'm Kumar, and I will be the trainer for you on this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the session for today, can any one of you please confirm by unmuting yourself? Am I audible to every one of you? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Audible.
yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
you're clear.
Voice is clear. There is no disturbance, anything, right?
Yes,
Nothing.
sir.
Yeah.
You are
Okay.
audible.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everyone for confirming that. So I'm keeping everyone in mute team so that we can start the session for today. So once again, a warm welcome to every one of you and thank you everyone for taking your time in the evening today for attending this demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So as I already mentioned to you, my name is Kumar and I am the director for Triotech Software Trainings and also a lead trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications in Triotech. So before starting the concept for today, why we connected for today's demo session, I'm having an announcement to every one of you. What is that, team? By default, by this time, many of you might be realizing that we have kept everyone in mute in today's session. Only for today, not every day in the training. Okay. Today we kept everyone in mute. The intention behind that is, team, today we have large audience joining from different backgrounds. So when I say different backgrounds, people who are in the class today, we have very recent college passed out graduates, whoever recently completed their graduations into any stream, might be degree, might be BTech or MBA, MCA, pharmaceutical, any background they might be, who recently completed their graduation, looking for a good opportunity in the market, looking for a good technology in the market to learn and to start their career. We have such people in the call today. And people who are in their final year of their graduations, next 6 months to 8 months, they are going to come out. At the end of their graduations, they might be looking at a good technology to learn by the time they come out to get into the IT industry. We have also that kind of people join the call today. Okay. And then we have people from non-IT backgrounds. Prior to this attending the demo, you might be currently working in different non-IT industries. You might be into sales, marketing, finances, investment bankings, insurance agents, sales agents, or HR recruiters, talent acquisition specialists, US staffing recruitment you are into, or you might be working in operational jobs, anything, or BPO or telecalling. You might be into different non-IT experiences currently and looking for a good technology to learn to start your career in IT. We have that kind of people also in the session today. And we do have people who are already working in IT industries. Prior to this, you might be working into testing backgrounds, or you might be working in prior ERPs like Oracle E-Business Suite, PeopleSoft, DBA, SAP, or into Azure, DevOps. You might be into different IT application experiences. Now you are looking for a good opportunity, better opportunity compared to your current role, what you are working on. Your current job profiles might get saturated. There is no increment in your career wise or commercial wise. You want to learn one good high demand technology in the market and you want to transition your career. We have that kind of people in the call. And most importantly, people with long career gaps after their graduation because of several personal reasons. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, or 6 year long career gaps you might be having, particularly women who have their career breaks because of marriages or maternity breaks. Now they want to prove something and they want to start their career in IT industry. Okay. So why I am telling all these things is, team, we have mix of people in the call today. If I start taking the questions in between, your question might not be relevant to the experience what they have currently or the background that they come from currently. I don't want to confuse the people. I want everyone to be in the same page, same understanding, and the harmony should be same. At the end of the session, I will have a detailed Q&A round. Then only I will close the session for today. But my personal feeling, because every month I train several students and I do interact with several candidates on a daily basis. Even before people attending the session today, few of you already came to the office, had a discussion with me about your career counseling and all. So I have some sort of knowledge what questions generally any participant will have in the mind before choosing a technology or to learn a particular course from an institute, right? Generally what people will have, team, people will ask me when they, the moment they interact with me, Kumar, first of all, what is this technology, for what purpose this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud in the market is there, who will use this product in the real world. Once we learn this technology, where we will be recruited, in what type of companies we will be hired, and what we will be doing every day in the company. And I have a long career gap, Kumar, or I came from a non-IT background. Am I eligible to learn this course? Or the main important point everyone to get clear is no coding. Everyone will be hesitate towards this word called coding in the real world, right? People will ask me, Kumar, I don't know any prior experiences. I am new to IT industry. I'm not even aware of basic C language, C++, or basic SQL also. If someone try to teach me also, I can't grab that kind of languages understanding. Am I eligible to learn this course? Does your course suitable to me or not with all this background? These are some of the common questions everyone will be triggering with, right? In this session today, okay, for next 1 hour, maximum 70 to 80% of your questions, what you have at this point of time, I will try to cover with the session. Still, if you have any questions on top of that, jot it down, write it down, team. Please park the questions with you. At the end of the class, in the Q&A, I will take everyone's question. Don't hesitate asking in the local or the regional language. I'm happy to speak in Telugu also. I can address any of your query at your comfortable language. Okay. But my request to every one of you, today is a demo. From tomorrow, regular classes will start. Slightly, the session will be extended today for more half an hour. 7:30 to 8:30 is the demo, but already people joined late, and even now some of you are joining, keeping everyone interest. Slightly, I might extend couple of minutes extra. So please be on mute and listen to the session, because you have joined this class today to know more details about this particular technology. You are going to choose this technology or a course as your career for next 15 to 20 years in the market. So you should be very focused, and maximum information what I am going to share with you, you have to grab from the session. Whoever attending the sessions from mobiles, please concentrate. If you are scrolling towards the WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook, anything, please put aside. Please sit on the calm room, attend the session for next 1 hour, very detailed team. In this session, I'm going to explain you what is this technology is about. When you learn this course, what sort of companies will recruit you, how the packages in the market are there, what modules that we are going to train you in this technology, any prerequisites are required to learn this course or not, whether it is suitable to you or not. First of all, these all things I'm going to cover. At the end of the session, I'm going to explain you detailed program information. From tomorrow, the batch regular classes will start every day from 7:30. What all modules we are covering, what placement support you will be getting from Triotech, and what will be the course fee. As a festival, we've been given with some early bird discounts and some additional benefits also for the people enrolling to this program. These all at the end of the session, I will explain, and I will move to Q&A team. So let me quickly start the session for today. Why we are here, why we joined today's demo with Triotech. Today, I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job, even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences. Many of you will get stuck your career here. Coding, coding, coding. Everywhere in IT industry, this is a common thing everyone will tell. But today, I'm going to introduce to you one such technology offered by Oracle Corporation, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM stands for Human Capital Management Cloud. One such technology which is completely zero coding. When I say zero coding, not medium level, intermediary level, low code, nothing. Zero coding completely. A plain functional application. You will be configuring the application according to the client requirement. Already the application will be developed and delivered by Oracle. So today I'm going to introduce to you how to land up on a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding and with non-IT experiences. Many of my friends will be from these backgrounds, non-IT experiences. Kumar, am I eligible to learn this program? I came from a sales background. I came from a HR recruitment background, Kumar. From last 5 years in US recruitment, I am working, or into marketing, or into investment banking, or into BPO, telecalling, customer support. Am I able to learn this? Absolutely. Anyone from any background, any educational background can learn. The best part with Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications is, team, in the market, any company you take, from startup to mid-level to top MNC companies, will do projects in this technology. You will be recruited in any of these level companies. Every company in the market will not be looking at your educational background. Generally, people have a misconception. In IT, if you come from a BTech background, then only you have to be eligible for learning this program. Nah, those things are gone. Today is a technology era. If you are good at some skill, if you are good at a particular technology or a knowledge you are having for a particular tool, that plays a very vital role in your career team. So you might be from BTech background or might not be from a BTech background, like BBA, BCom, BSc, MBA, MCA, even we have seen few of our students who came from Pharm D, B Pharmacy, MSc, Chemistry, Analytical Chemistries also transitioned their career into IT. So companies looking at your knowledge. Are you a trained resource in this technology or not? How many projects that you have worked in this domain? Any prior relevant experience on this technology you have or not? Only these are the metrics to recruit you. Forget about your educational background stream. I'm not telling this on a very vague note. We been in the industry since 2015. Every month we've been training hundreds of students in different Oracle platform, and many companies will be reaching out to us every month for trained resources. Recently Covian, Apps Associate, DriveStream, then we have Mastech have recruited our candidates directly team. They never asked us for educational constraint. They only looked at whether the candidate is a trained resource having good knowledge or not. So that is one technology in the market team open for anyone. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Redwood and AI. This is not a technology. It's a concept within our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. Redwood is the latest user interface that Oracle incorporated into their application. Then artificial intelligence also Oracle incorporated into the Fusion system. In this training, once the training starts from tomorrow, topic by topic, when we are moving through what is Redwood and AI, you will be getting detailedly. So this training will be on the latest server or the application as of today. Whatever is the latest Fusion Cloud applications are there on the Redwood, and AI will also be covered in this program. Now, let me briefly introduce about myself, because when you are learning a technology from someone, you should also know what experience that your trainer have. Few of you might be following me in YouTube or different platforms, and many of you already had a direct word with me before attending the session today. You might be came to the office and you interacted with me. For rest of the people who joined the demo today, let me introduce about myself. As I mentioned, every one of you, my name is Kumar. I'm the founder director for Triotech Software Trainings, and I'm also a lead trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud in Triotech. I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 15 plus years of experience. By this month end, actually by 3rd November, I'm completing my 15 plus and I'm entering 16 years team with overall 15 plus years of experience, in which 12 plus years into IT consulting. Okay, 12 plus years into IT consulting. Particularly from last 9 years, I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Coming to my projecting experience, close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation, support and rollout projects I've been part of. Coming to the client experiences team, clients that I worked are from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE. These are the regions that the clients that I worked on the implementation of their applications team. Now also, I'm part of one of the global implementation where client is having presence in more than 40 plus countries, and I'm working as a solution architect over there, where I'm leading the team of 27 resources as of today team. And I'm a chief solution architect for that particular project where we are working on a phase by phase implementation for that client. And I'm also a corporate trainer, delivered 25 plus training to several companies team. Like every month, we train students in Triotech like you. On top of our regular trainings and our projecting activities, I do conduct trainings in several companies' team. Companies will reach out to us for conducting in-house trainings to their employees in this technology. Close to 25 plus trainings I have completed so far, where I traveled couple of countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Bahrain, then Saudi, for these regions to conduct the trainings in the companies for their employees team. I am an ex-Deloitte Infosys E&Y employee, and I am also an official trainer in Oracle University, where I conducted couple of programs over there as well. This is my professional experience with this technology team. To have a quick intro about Triotech software trainings, as I told you, or rather we can say proudly, we are one of the leading software training institutes in Hyderabad, particularly training on Oracle Fusion platform. We never involve in any other trainings. Exclusively, me and my team will be conducting the trainings only on Oracle Fusion applications team. I started Triotech in the year of 2015 with only one person. I am only the person who started with only one particular technology team. Today, the wings been spreaded and we have completed 1000 plus batches on different platforms, different technologies, trained more than 20,000 plus students across different technologies. It might be Oracle Fusion HCM, financials, supply chain, or Oracle Integration Cloud, or VBCS, or Oracle CPQ. On different Oracle Fusion technologies, we've been training the candidates team. And we have 40 plus permanent and freelancing trainers who working for Triotech for different training activities. For HCM, I will be the trainer. For financials, I have my team, Abhishek, Chandu, Piyush. We have a couple of other trainers who working on a freelancing as well for our training activities team. And coming to our corporate training partners, we can officially tell to you DHL, Amway, Herbalife, American Express, Trinocat, Kuwait Finance House from Kuwait, then TPI Composites from US. These all are the corporate training partners. I mentioned here, right? 25 plus trainings I have given to several companies. These are few of them. And the best part here is team, few of the companies have recruited our students who trained on this technology as well, right? So every month companies will be reaching out to us for trained resources. We will also schedule your interviews from our side, that what we can do as part of our placement activities team. So these all are our corporate training partners, American Express, okay, or DHL, Amway, Herbalife. Many of us well aware of all these companies team. So this is about Triotech software trainings background. And to share with you happily, our YouTube channel recently hit 100K milestone as well. We received the YouTube silver button, and you can see my team in Hyderabad office who are behind this entire success of this channel or any activity in Triotech team. So our placement team, HR team, and marketing, everyone you can able to see here. And we are close to 150K as of today team. And we will be uploading every day several contents in YouTube. So you can follow our YouTube channel as well. Every day, some are the other content related to the HCM. What will be the roles and responsibility of HCM consultant? Then interview questions, discussion with the students from different batches. Then best Oracle Fusion HCM modules to learn. We have a very rich content on Oracle HCM Cloud every week or every day that we will be presenting in the channel team. So you can follow the YouTube channel to get more content related to HCM Cloud application. Even our placement success stories, we will post it in our community team. So you can see all the student testimonials or the success stories from our YouTube or our Instagram channel here. Okay. So this is just a brief intro about myself and Triotech. Now let me quickly go to today's demo agenda. why we are here and what we are going to learn. Let us see now. In today's session, first I am going to start with introduction to ERP. See, many of you who came from IT backgrounds, you might aware what is ERP, but many of the peoples are freshers. They might not know. Here I am going to first explain you what is ERP, what is Fusion application, within that what is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application is about. Okay. Meanwhile, team, our admin team dropping you a message in your Zoom chat. So I request everyone to please fill that Google form details, team, so that after the session today, our team can reach out to you for the further registration process or the communication. I request everyone without missing, please fill out the Google form, or else we cannot be tracking you or we cannot able to contact you after the session. Please fill the Google form. So what is Oracle Fusion application? Fusion application evaluation overview. The background of the Fusion application team. We are in 2025 October 30th today. When Oracle introduced this Fusion application in the market, prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the ERP products available in the market? Then we will see the entire evaluation or the history of the Fusion applications here. Then I will introduce to you types of companies involved. Any software application you learn, you have to know typically who all are the people involved. Once you learn this course, in which companies you will recruit, what you will do. Secondly, who is the vendor company? Who is called as client or customer? From last half an hour, frequently I'm using the word client, customer, or when you interact with your friend, cousin, brother who is working already in IT, they always will tell, hey, my client is like this, my client is very good, my client is very harsh, they are very particular about this, my client is that. What is called or who is called as a client? Client means who? Consulting company means what? What you will do once you learn this year. That clarity I will give you here, team. And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases. Like every other software, our Oracle Fusion application is also a software application offering by Oracle. It will also have release versions, team, like how our iOS in Apple mobile will upgrade, the software upgrade from iOS 8 to iOS 9, iOS 9 to iOS 10.2. Same way, Fusion also will follow. Oracle also will follow quarterly upgradation policy. How they are following that pattern, what will happen in every quarterly upgrade, what we will do as part of this in real-time projects, that I will tell here, team. And then the most important thing for today's session, modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Many of you will be asking me a question, Kumar, when we first know about this technology from my friend or from my brother or someone who referred this, they're telling me to learn functional from Kumar or technical from Kumar or whatever. What is this functional or technical first of all? What we have to learn? Market looking for what modules primarily? I'm going to give you a clear-cut detailed information on what is functional, what is technical, what all modules are available in HCM Cloud, what we have to learn. That I will tell you here, team. Then I will talk about career opportunities in HCM. Learning a technology, there are thousands of technologies in the market. Does it suitable to you? What sort of career opportunities are there? What sort of salary packages are there in the market in this domain? That all I will tell here, team. And then I will talk about Oracle Knowledge Repository. We will provide for every module our custom materials that what we prepare. I will show you that how they looks like also at the end of the class, team. But on top of that, if you want to access Oracle standard materials, where in the internet you have to go, where you have to access Oracle standard materials, that I will introduce to you, team. Then few of my friends will ask me, Kumar, what about certification like SAP or Workday, some other applications? Does certification is mandatory? Do we have to do? If at all we have to do certification, what is the process or the cost incurred? That I will tell you here, team. Then finally, we will close the session today with why Triotech, and particularly why Kumar as your trainer for this technology. What will be the course offering? How many days this program will be? What will be the timing starting from tomorrow? The course fee, what placement activities or benefits you will get, everything I will explain here, team. So let us start with our very first topic for today, introduction to ERP. But much before that, team, let us quickly walk through this slide. For whom this course is for? Because everyone have that question, team. If you fall in any of these criteria, absolutely this technology is suitable to you. If you are in your final year of degree, you want to learn a good technology to start a career. If you have just completed your studies, don't know what to do, which technology to learn, then this technology will be absolutely suitable to you. Or if you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your current unstable non-IT jobs thing, you are eligible to learn. If you are from a non-IT background, want to make your career in IT, you are eligible. And if you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 in next 4 to 5 years, not today, because you are not experienced professional in this. You are starting as a freshers, right? But in next 4 to 5 years of your career, if you are planning to get into this level of packages, then absolutely you are eligible. This is not a kind of random figure I made. You go to ChatGPT, you go to anywhere, or you go to Naukri and search the profile with the experience range of 4 to 6 years or 4 to 7 years team. These packages companies do offering to the candidates, no doubt about that. And ultimately, people from any degree, any background, absolutely eligible to learn this program. And this is going to be a completely zero coding application. No prerequisites to learn this program. Come with a blank mind, sit in the class from basics, fundamentals to the complex. One full life cycle of project implementation experience I'm going to teach you here. So this is for the audience who can learn this program. Now team, ERP. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application comes under ERP category or ERP family. Basically, team, ERP is a category or a family. Under that ERP category, different products are available in the market. In order to say simply, ERP applications are the business process management softwares that manages and integrates company financial, supply chain, commerce, manufacturing, and human resource activity. If you see this picture, you can understand clearly what is an ERP application. Any company that you know, take it as an example. Tata, Reliance, Cisco, Amazon, Google, Apple, Zoho, any company you take of your example team. In every organization, there will be human resource department. What they will be doing, team, the HR people in every organization, they are responsible for manpower management in that company. Entire employee management, from hiring the employee to their absences, their salary processing, their appraisals, hire to retire, entire employee activities HR department will do. Then in every company, finance department or business area will be. So whatever amounts company receiving, whatever amounts company paying, entire payables, receivables, finance departments will verify. If it is a manufacturing company, supply chain, procurement, business areas will be there. Procuring the raw materials, manufacturing the goods, and then sending out for sales. Then we have sales related business activity. In every company, different business processes are involved. In order to conduct all these day-to-day business operations, every company require a tech-based modular softwares. Particularly, you take human resource team because our technology name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Human Capital Management Cloud means it is a HR related software application in any company used to conduct the day-to-day HR activities in that organization team. Kumar, how come you are telling that they're mandatory every day to use? Prior to this technology, how companies handled all this? Obviously manual. What our fathers or our grandfathers, whoever into business families, you go and check with your uncles or fathers or grandfather. If you have a business, you have some 50 people working in your company, you used to maintain manually how many people present today, how many people absent. You used to maintain absence attendance book. Present absent you have used to do. Then every month you have to pay through cash and you used to write it in the accounts book. Big books we used to maintain. But with the intervention of technology from 1970s, 1980s, the entire market scenario changed. Technology introduced everywhere. So team, there are different ERP applications are in the market today. One such product offered by Oracle Corporation to handle the day-to-day HR activities in any organization, we have Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Any company, if they buy the product from Oracle, they will be using this Oracle Fusion HCM in their day-to-day HR activities to conduct. Few of the examples to understand I have kept here. Like Oracle, we have SAP, we have Salesforce, we have Workday, Northgate, Pegasus, and our very well-known Indian ERP nowadays becoming more popular in India, Zoho. There are many ERP applications in the market available team. So one such product offering by Oracle is Oracle HCM Cloud. So ERP is a category or a family. Under that, different products for different business activities are available in the system. So if I have to tell exactly what is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, in every company, these all are the different HR activities involved with team. First of all, attracting the talent, hiring them, conducting the interviews, onboarding them, setting the goals, performance checks to them, providing the salaries to them every month, compensation, then leave management, recording their leaves every month, then reviewing their talent on a timely manner, then recording their attendance every month. Time and labor meets record attending recording attendance recordings and all team. Then pay benefits. Then optimizing the workforce means retiring of the employee. From hire to retire. From hire to retire. Okay. Entire activities that in the HR field, what companies will be doing, our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud will be used to handle all these HR activities in the organization team. Okay. Kumar, what we will do here, I'll tell you with a simple example team. For example, we every one of us know people who joining from other countries, US or Middle East, probably you might also aware. Our very well-known Indian private MNC, Reliance Industries. Take it as an example team. Let's suppose Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle. They want to use this HCM Fusion in their day-to-day HR activities. Now, Reliance is not an IT company. They're into different businesses. Reliance, when they purchased the product from Oracle, they will get a blank product with all features and functionality. Now you are going to a mobile shop and you are buying an iPhone team. What you will get? Product with all features and functionalities you will get. In that mobile, you will install all your application, all your data, your contacts, email, your photos. That is a self-handable product. But when Reliance buy the product from Oracle, Oracle also will sell the product to Reliance with all functionalities team. Now Reliance want someone to configure their application according to their business requirement. In order to use in their day-to-day activities by their HR people, they want someone to configure the system according to their data, right? What Reliance will do, team? Reliance will give the project to so-called software companies in the market. Deloitte, TCS, Wipro, TechM, Capgemini, Cognizant, any company you name, team. For example, Reliance given the project to Deloitte. Now Deloitte will deploy the people and Deloitte will implement the system, configure the system according to their requirement. Once we learn this technology, team, in so-called software companies in the market on this technology as a software engineers, consultants, analysts, designations will differ from company to company. So you will be recruited in these software companies team. And once our company receive the project from the client, we will work on the configurations of their data. Our 3 months training will be that only. What you will do when you are deployed for a project, how you will collect the requirement from the client, how you will configure the application, that all we are going to cover in the training part. Now everyone understood, right? What is this technology? Who will use for what purpose? Nowadays, Oracle Fusion became more popular team. Why? I will tell you. Here, why I will tell you. And why the demand is very high also, I will tell you in the next slide. Oracle Fusion evolution path. See, prior to Oracle Fusion applications team, I'm talking exactly 19 years back from today. Prior to 2006, we are in 2025. Prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP products available in the market. Oracle used to have their own ERP application during that point of time. Even now, Oracle e-business suite. Then PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards and JD Edwards World is owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Siebel was owned by Siebel Corporation. These all are the different individual products available in the market prior to 2006. But at that point of time, we used to have a very big problem. What was that, team? None of the applications during that time were very much stable in all the business areas. If you take PeopleSoft, PeopleSoft was very good at HRMS business area, our human resource area. JD Edwards, very good at procurement and financials. Siebel is very good at CRM. Hyperion, good at reporting. Oracle's own e-business suite was very good at financials. But none of the products available during that point of time were matured or stable in all the business area. Oracle found that as an opportunity, team. Oracle's success today is purely on their acquisitions only. Whatever the product successful in the market, Oracle acquires them. That is their sole business strategy. What Oracle did in the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all the best ERP products in the market during that time. EBS is anyhow their own product. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion. And what Oracle did, Oracle taken the best of the best knowledge team from PeopleSoft HRMS knowledge, from JD Edwards procurement, from Siebel CRM knowledge, from Hyperion reporting knowledge, from eBusiness Suite financials knowledge. And what they did in the year 2011, Oracle announced a new age futuristic applications, that is Oracle Fusion Cloud application. Fusion, mix of all the applications team. Fusion means what? Mix of all the applicational knowledge. Oracle announced Oracle Fusion Cloud applications into the open world. Now immediately some of you might get a question. Kumar, 2011 Oracle Fusion applications introduced by Oracle. Today is 2025 October 30. You are training us that old applications today, almost 14 years? No. Oracle released their initial beta version in 2011, but it took about 7 to 8 years Oracle to enter or penetrate into the market fully. From 2017, 2018 onwards only, we are seeing the huge penetration of Oracle Fusion. The best thing here, why you know team, Oracle is having a huge customer base in the market. Whoever the people using Oracle eBusiness Suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Oracle insisting all of these customers to upgrade to Fusion. This is a new age on a cloud-based technology Oracle brought in. Now everywhere it's cloud. They don't want to maintain infrastructures, everything to be easily maintained over the internet. So Oracle insisting, rather forcing or convincing all their existing customers to migrate to Fusion. They stopped selling the old products in the market. Whoever using that currently, Oracle just supporting them. No new implementations happening. Because of this huge customer base, adoption to Oracle Fusion, migrating to Oracle Fusion, we have seen a phenomenal hike in the demand of Oracle Fusion team. As per as per 2025, 2024 and 2023, since last 3 years, as per the ERP rankings in the market, if you see, Oracle is the world's biggest ERP in the market. Even Oracle crossed SAP market in terms of monetary wise, in terms of number of customers or the companies using the product team. As such, there is a sudden spike in the demand. The market is not ready with the resources who working on this technology. That is the reason team, very good demand in the recruitment area nowadays we are seeing in Oracle Fusion. If you are a trained resource, companies are okay to recruit you. You are a trained fresher, companies are okay to recruit you. People with 3 to 4 years experiences or 5 years experiences, companies paying 15 to 20 lakh CTCs. A person with 10 lakh CTC till today, suddenly when he shifts another company, he's getting 20, 22 lakhs hike. I mean 10, 12 lakhs hike in. 100%, 120% hikes also companies are ready to give, subjective to condition. If you are knowledgeable, if you are worthy, companies ready to take. But there will be some technologies. If you are expert, you put 100% of your blood and sweat, companies won't recruit with that level of packages. The opportunities will not be there. But in this domain, we have such kind of opportunities demand. Why Oracle Fusion is demand compared to SAP, Workday or any other ERP? Because of this thing. Huge customer adoption is there. And moreover, Oracle Fusion applications, we can say proudly, is very mature and very successful in all the business areas. HCM, financials, supply chain, CPQ, sales, any business area you take, Oracle Fusion applications became very stabilized and very process oriented, and Oracle also investing a lot in their research and development. They are continuously improving their application over the period of time. As part of that improvement only, the Redwood UI has been introduced into the Fusion platform, and which is very successful, quite happy with many customers with this Redwood user interface team. So this is about Oracle Fusion evolution path. Like our HCM team, under Oracle Fusion portfolio, there are different products our Oracle Fusion is offering team. We are going to learn about HCM. This is our tool, Human Capital Management. It deals with HR activities in the company. Like our HCM, we have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion SCM, Supply Chain Management Cloud, then Oracle Fusion PPM, Project Portfolio Management, Oracle Fusion Procurement Cloud, Oracle Fusion Customer Relationship Management, CRM Cloud. For different business areas, different products are available. But be clear, few of you, when they interacting with me, asking this question also, Kumar, do we have to learn only HCM or do we have to learn supply chain, HCM, financials all? No. No one in the real time will work on all the business areas team. Any one you have to choose as your career and you will retire in that only. You don't need to switch to another technologies or another tools. So we are going to learn one of the highly successful product in Fusion, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management Cloud. Kumar, cloud, what is cloud? Fusion applications, you are talking always Oracle Fusion, HCM Cloud, HCM Cloud. What do you mean by cloud? Any software that is hosted over the internet. And more importantly, why Oracle Fusion applications became more successful is team. In our traditional usage of software applications team, everything was on premise. Means whenever a company want to buy a product from Oracle, along with the application, companies used to buy their own server and they used to install that server in their office premises and they used to install that application in that server. They used to maintain a huge team of database administrator, network engineers, system specialists, security analysts, like that. But those things were gone. Every technology moving towards cloud means what, team? You don't believe. When any customer buy the product from Oracle team, this is our Fusion application. Just a URL, just a web link. This is our Fusion application team. You no need to install that in any of your laptop or desktop, nothing. Just copy paste that URL in your Google search engine and enter. It will prompt you for sign in and user ID and password team. But already I've been logged in. That's why automatically system logged in. Generally, it will ask for user ID and password. That tomorrow I will tell you. So this is our Fusion applications team. The look and feel of Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications are this. Did I install anywhere this in my laptop? Did I run any software? Nothing. Just a URL I passed in the Google Chrome. Just user ID and password if you give, you will be entering into the Fusion application. Fusion Cloud means that thing. Any company, when they buy the product from Oracle, they won't get any additional resources, not required. Just a URL with user ID and password. A basic laptop with good internet connection if you have, you sit in any part of the world and you can able to work on Fusion application team. So this is just for your introduction, the look and feel, how the Fusion HCM Cloud application looks like. Just I'm showing. In tomorrow's session, I'll introduce to you detailedly what are all these icons, what are all these home screen buttons, everything I will talk in tomorrow's session team. Okay. So that is about Fusion system. Now, let us talk about types of companies. Any software application you learn, these three companies will be involved in the usability of that application team. Already explained you this in this slide only. What is that? Service provider company, client or the customer, consulting company. Service provider means company who selling the product. In our case team, Oracle India Private Limited, because Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications are owned by Oracle, who is called as client or customer. Company who purchase the product from Oracle and use in their day-to-day life. For example, Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T Infrastructure. Example I'm taking like this team. So in our case, Reliance is the client or the customer team. Now Reliance bought the product from Oracle. As I told you, Reliance want someone to configure the application according to their requirement. What Reliance will do, Reliance will reach out to the consulting companies in the market. Companies who implement the product or configure the product according to the client requirement. So-called software companies, Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Accenture. So when client gives the project to them, these companies will implement the project team. Once you learn this course, you will be recruited in these consulting companies on this technology. When they got the project, you will be deployed for the client implementation. So this is about team types of companies involved in any software application in the market. You take Oracle, you take SAP, Workday, DevOps, any project implementations in the market. Now, let me briefly talk about Fusion environment releases. What do you mean by Fusion environment releases, team? See, in the year 2011, I'm telling Oracle introduced their Fusion applications team, right? Very important. Please focus. This basic knowledge nowhere will be covered in any trainings or nowhere in the internet also rather team. A very basic understanding when you starting the training, you have to be well aware of. In the interviews when you attending, you might get a question related to, not might, you will get a question related to the Fusion environment releases. Please focus. I will tell it in a very easy way. In the year 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications into the market, they came up with a version of R1. What is that team? Release 1. Since then, it got evolved. Now, the Fusion applications version is R13. What is that team? R13. Initially, when they introduced it, it is R1. It got evolved over the period, and now the Fusion application version is R13. Actually, during this time, from release 1 to release 10, whoever the customers bought the Fusion application in the market, Oracle used to sell the product both on on-premise and cloud deployment offerings team, the old traditional way and cloud. But from R10 and R11 onwards team, Oracle stopped on-premise completely on a cloud-based technology only. Fusion applications are being sold in the market. R13, Oracle made it as a static release for Fusion. Actually, in 2017, end of 17 and early 18 only, Fusion application version reached to R13. Within that, Oracle following subversioning for their application. What do you mean by that, team? We have to talk about the environment release. Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy team. What is that? Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy for their application. What do you mean by quarterly upgradation? Yearly 4 quarters we have. Jan to December if you take year. Jan to December, 3 months is a quarter in our financial terminology. So yearly 4 times Oracle will upgrade the application team. What Oracle did you know? They have named each quarter into A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Jan to March is first quarter in the year. April to June, second quarter. July to, okay, September is third quarter. October to December is fourth quarter team. Yearly 4 quarters we have. Oracle designated them as A, B, C, D alphabets. Okay, alphabets. And what is the latest version of the Fusion application? Shall we check out in the system directly? Once we log in team, if you come to the right side settings and actions button here, if you go to about this application, you can find the latest version as of today is 25C release in the system. Okay. Kumar, you told R13, no? Yes, it's R13 only. Application Development Framework, if you see, REL13. Middleware extension, if you see, REL13. Database compatibility, if you see, REL13. Now the latest version is theme R13, R13 25C. This is the latest version of the Fusion application team. 25C. Every year, 4 times Oracle will provide the upgradation team. During that time, they will follow this naming convention. You might ask me, Kumar, we are in October month, no? This is fourth quarter, no? Next upgrade should be 25D, no? Yes, team. Actually, it's supposed to get, it's slightly delayed. Next week, Oracle is going to bring that release team. Every year, the numbering, it will go like this team. 4 quarters, right? The year that we are in and followed by the quarterly name. 25A in the month of January. In April, it upgraded to 25B. Then now in 25C. Next upgrade, actually by this time it should come in the month of October only. Slightly delayed this time and we are getting in November team 25D. Next year, it will follow like this 26A, 26B, 26C, 26D. Every year, 4 quarters, the naming convention Oracle will follow like that team. So now the latest version is R1325C. Okay. What it will do, Kumar, every time, as I told you, Oracle, the main reason behind being the top ERP in the market is Oracle invests a lot in the research and development to give a more realistic application services to their customers, more customer engaged with accuracy at most. Oracle investing a lot in the research and development. They have a very good Q&A and also the research development team where they continuously work on the improvements of the system. So now we are in 25C. Whatever the errors they noticed in that when customers using that fixes it will bring. Then whatever the new enhancements that customers expecting in the system, what new features Oracle customers expecting, Oracle will collect all that requirements from the customers team as a feedback and they will release in their upcoming releases. Every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading their application, like our Android mobile from 7.1 to 8.2, 8.2 to 9.2, what happens team? Even in our Apple iPhone also, recently we got some upgrade to Apple iOS also. Entire look and feel came into glossy look, some new enhancements came, right? Same way here also. Every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading, some new enhancements, some new features, latest advanced features they will bring in the system. Anything that customers not using and any errors are there, that bug fixes, everything Oracle will rectify in that team. So yearly 4 times they will upgrade the application. They categorized each quarter into A, B, C, D and the numbering will come with the financial year we are in, quarter we are in. Kumar, what is this 11.13.225? 11 stands for the year which Oracle introduced the applications, 2011. 13 stands for R13, the release 13. 25 stands for 2025. Okay, the financial year we are in. 07 stands for, we are in which quarter team? 25C release. 25C release means we are in the third quarter in the year. Third quarter, first month is what? July. July means what? 7. 0 is static. Now make a note of it, everyone. Ask me if I am wrong in next week in the training, whenever you've been on. You'll be seeing the upgrade, right? Next upgrade, what we're going to get this year, team. The version will be changing to 25D, 11 point, 13 point, 25 point. In the fourth quarter, first month is what, team? October. October means 10th month. 10.0. Take the screenshot of it and you ask me. Next week, when the application upgrading to 25D, okay, the version will come like this, team. Every quarter, the numbering sequence Oracle will follow, team. Now, Kumar, as a implementation consultant, when we are in the real-time projects, any role do we have here? Absolutely. Every 3 months, we have some activities to perform in the project team. What new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system in the upcoming release? Oracle, prior to 1 month and 2 months only, they will release all the new functionality document. We have to go through it. We have to present it to the client, like these new functionalities Oracle bringing in this release. We don't have any impact to our current functionalities. And these new things, if we are using, it would be better for our current usage. Like that, we call it as impact analysis session team. We will prepare a document with all new functionalities. We will discuss with the client and we will configure that if client want them in the system, right? And also, team, every quarterly upgrade when Oracle doing, Oracle will give the dates upfront to the customer. 3 weeks before, 4 weeks before only they will intimate that we are going to upgrade the system in a on every third Saturday or second Saturday. They will schedule, team, non-office hours. No one should use the system during that time. So we have to perform some testing activities. We calling them as pre-upgrade testing, regression testings, sanitary checks, post-upgrade testing. We have certain activities, but they are too early for you to explain. When we come to our placement activities, okay, after the training, when our placement preparation start, when I'm going to take some workshop session on implementation project and support projects team. In real time, if you are working, the implementation project will start from where onwards? From designing the plan, kickoff meeting, formal introduction with the client team and we. Then as you study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, UAT phase, then go live phase. In each phase, what documents we will prepare, a detailed end-to-end real-time project implementation, what will be happen. I'm going to explain you. During that time, what is the role of support projects? I will also explain you. Here, I will cover that team. Our quarterly activities, every quarterly upgrade, what we will do in real-time companies, because mandatory interview question to you. Definite question. What you will do in the quarterly upgradation time? What are the activities that you have to perform? Can you please name few of them? We have to tell that. So these all will be covered as part of your placement preparation workshops team. In real time, from starting to end, how the project implementation happen, what we do, how we will contact client every day through mobile, through Zoom meeting, through Outlook, Microsoft Teams, every day how many calls we will have, how we will collect the requirement, what documents we will prepare. During that time, you will understand detailedly what we will be having. But one thing to every student in every batch, I will tell. In interview, you might get a questions like this also, team. Something like, Acha, can you tell me in the recent upgrade, what are the new features came in absence module? Can you few one or two out of them? Can you mention one or two out of them? How come you will know that? Not only that, from the point of interview, when you learning any technology, you should also grow along with the application. If application is evolving, you should also evolve in terms of your knowledge. So every three months thing, whenever Oracle upgrading, just 10 minutes, you have to go to the document and you have to just to walk through in this upgrade, in each module, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in. Now it will be difficult because you are new to this technology. But once you start working in the real time, everything will be in your fingertips. You can know every functionality in a system. During that time, just 10 minutes if you spend every 3 months once, you will be having good control about the system with the latest features team. So either you learn the program from me or not, doesn't matter. But every student attending the demo today who is in a decision to learn this course and start your career, please take this as a consideration. You have to spend every 3 months once 10 to 15 minutes of time to go through the release documenting, how to find that release document in the internet, in each quarterly upgrade, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in, that I will tell in our knowledge repository topic team. So this is about Fusion environment releases. Okay. Next to what we have team. Let me quickly walk through our modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. This is very important. Everyone should know because when people learning this technology, you have to know what all modules that are part of this particular course. How many modules in total we have team? Let us talk about them quickly. Okay. Just bear with me for next 15 minutes team. I'll try to wrap up. So Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications is our course. Now we have within this team different modules in HCM. What are they? What are the different modules we have in the system team? Let me list out them. We have something called core HR, okay, or global HR. Okay, you don't need to write it down. I'll share this Excel to every one of you. Don't worry. Core HR, global HR, we can call it anything. Then we have absence management module. Then we have payroll management module. Then we have talent management module team. Within talent, we have sub modules like profile management, talent review, goal management, performance management, succession management, like that. Then we have team compensation and benefits. Okay. I'm listing out everything in this technology team. Then we have some advanced modules like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor, OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud, then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have team, okay, something like help desk and safety. Okay. Then we have HCM Communicate, like we have these modules team. A part of these modules, we have some of the other configurations as well. What are they? Security administration. Okay. Security administration. Then we have workflows. Okay. And approval management. Then we have customizations and personalizations team. Okay. So we generally do it with Sandbox. Then we have HCM Design Studio. We have a couple of concepts in that. We will get detail once you get into. Then we have team something like inbound integrations, where we will be talking about our HCM data loader. Okay. Then spreadsheet data loader. We have two data loading tools that we have to see. Then we have outbound integrations. Okay. Where we will be talking about our reports, BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts. Then we have team, the most happening, fast formulas. Okay. In total, we have these modules or the concepts in HCM team. Now, what we will see in each module. For example, you take core HR or global HR module. Here we are going to configure entire our client's organization, work structures, hiring of an employee, transfer, promotion, demotion, entire employee management will be handled in the core HR module team. From hire to retire, entire employee management will handle in core HR module. Then in every company, leave management will be there. So in absence module, different leave configurations assigning to the employee, how employee applying them, tracking them, sending to the payroll, that all we will see in absence management module. Then we have payroll management, nothing but salary processing. Every month or every week, we have to pay salaries to the employee. In this module, that we are going to see. Then for every employee, performance appraisals will be common, correct? Then only their hikes, their promotions, demotions will be handled. In talent management, we are going to see that team. Compensation and benefits. Actually, these two are two different modules, but we call them together actually. Compensation means on top of payroll, salary, anything that you need to pay to the employee team, like you want to pay bonus to the employee, you want to pay night shift allowance, overtime allowance, any stocks you want to pay to the employee, shares, debentures, anything. Through compensation module, we will handle them. Then benefits module. In the countries like United States or Canada, employees will be enrolling with different insurance plans, several deductions as part of premium every month company will do. So in the benefits module, we will handle that team. Then OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. In every company, employee punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out, and entire attendance to be tracked. In OTL module, attendance tracking of the employee we will handle. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. In every company nowadays, if you see, when you join the organization, they will conduct some mandatory trainings. They will give you some video lectures. You have to listen. Then and there, they will conduct some choose the correct answer exam. They will issue the certificate. So OLC means in order to conduct the training to the employees internally, OLC module is there. We can create the courses, upload the lectures, employees can attend, then issue the certificates and all team. Then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. So generally in any company, if a HR want to hire an employee, they will post the requirements in different job portals. They download the resumes. They will conduct the interview. They will select the candidate. They will release the offer letters, onboard the employee. Entire onboarding of the employee from hiring will handle in the Oracle Recruiting Cloud module ORC. Then help desk or HCM communicate. These are the internal ticketing tools between all the employees team, some communication, some chatting, some knowledge sharing. Okay. Then these modules we have in the system. Then we have security administration module team. Like I told you, right? In order to log in into the Fusion system, we require user ID and password. So for all the employees, the user account management, their access management will handle in security. Then in every module, we have approval requirement from the client. Means client might ask you, Kumar, today whenever HR hires an employee, the approval should go to concerned manager for approval. Or Kumar, when an employee apply the leave today, it should go to concerned manager approval. The entire approval management among the employees and manager we will develop here in this module team. Then we have customizations and personalization. Your client might ask you, Kumar, in the place of this vision logo, my company logo Reliance should come, or this background color from blue color it should change to white color. These icons I want to change, Kumar, or these tiles I want to rearrange, Kumar, renaming I want to do, or within any screen some sections I want to customize. Any customizations and personalization, we have a sandbox in the system. Through that we can achieve team. Then we have inbound integrations, like when we are in the real-time projects. Now our client using Oracle Fusion, we are there to configure. Prior to this, our client might be using some existing HR system like SAP, PeopleSoft, something. All their data we have to migrate into the Fusion. Any data that you want to bulk upload, migrate into the Fusion system. two data loading tools Oracle given. HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader. We have that team. Then any module when client using in the real time, if they want to extract the data, three reporting tools Oracle given, BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extract. Client might ask you, Kumar, I want to draw a report from the system. How many employees in India in Hyderabad location in the month of October recruited? Kumar, can you give me a report? How many employees applied sick leave in the last 3 months? It could be any data team. We have three reporting tools Oracle given in the system called BI OTB extract. Then fast formula. In absence, payroll, compensation, benefits, OTL. For several calculations, for several validations to maintain, we have one concept called fast formula. These all are the entire concepts we have in HCM. Now, as part of this training, what we are going to cover, and moreover, team, what comes under functional, what comes under technical. This is the most important thing everyone should know. Okay. These all modules will come under functional team. Okay. These concepts will come under technical. Simple. What comes under functional, what comes under technical means these things. Okay. Functional and technical. These concepts will come under that. If you ask me, Kumar, from your perspective, what is core technical, Kumar? Security, workflows, customization, even fast formulas. If you ask me, these are also part of functional only team. See, if any one of you joined the call today from EBS background, in EBS Oracle system, technical involvement or the weightage is very high. But in Oracle Fusion, technical scope is very less. Okay. The core technical concepts are only these two. Core technical are only these two teams, if you ask me, inbound and outbound. Rest of everything is functional. But training institutes in the market, including me, okay, generally functional training separately, technical training separately, they offer. Only these two topics, if they put in the training curriculum, that's difficult to convey the students, right? So these are also being offered for the convenience of the training part into technical. But in reality, if you ask me, these are also part of functional team. But as market is going like this, we will also go like that only. These are technical, these are functional. Now, Kumar, anywhere, any prerequisite of SQL or PLSQL do we require to learn? Generally, PLSQL is not required, team. SQL will be required in this one area called BI reports team. That too optional. If you aware of this concept, fair enough. If not, straight away leave it. Now don't do the risk of learning and all thing, because no one in the market who working in this technology will have the knowledge on all the aspects, team. If you don't know this, don't take the risk now, not required. You can skip this topic from your resume. It's not a mandatory thing to keep also. Okay. Only in this part, that two basic select statements you might require. But a part of that in the rest of the application, nowhere we require the SQL knowledge. Fast formula is also not a coding anything. It's a scripting. English with a combination of mathematical intervention. That will be easily understandable. I'll teach you that, don't worry, from scratch. Okay. So these are the total concepts. Kumar, what you are covering in this program, let us understand team. And moreover, before getting into that, kind of roles, okay, in the recruitment, roles in Oracle HCM. What is the best thing for you to learn, team? This is also very important thing you people should know. What is that, team? See, clear-cut requirement as of today is there in the market. Functional consultant, technical consultant. Once you learn this program, team, you can drop your resume as a functional consultant or a technical consultant, or the most happening and the high demanded, and that which I also personally prefer to everyone, techno-functional consultant. Means what, team? Functional consultant means who will work only on the functional modules. Technical consultant means who will work only on the technical aspects. Techno-functional means who can work both. No? Kumar, you are overloading us. No, that is a reality, team. Because in Fusion, technical scope is very minimal. A functional person can handle. In the market also, this trend is going on, team. Rather than taking two people into the project, one person with both knowledge is a first priority that companies or the HRs will have. You tell me, you owning a company, you are doing some projects in HCM or Oracle Fusion technology, you are in a situation to recruit the candidates. You will recruit two people and you will pay two salary, or you will recruit one person who knows both and you will pay one salary and the other salary you put in your pocket. Second option, anyone. It's a common human thinking, right? That's what happening in the market. Only functional, only technical, those days are slightly getting reduced. Techno functional, you should also learn. Our training also. Earlier, I used to also conduct only functional modules separately, technical separately. But now we've been shifted as per the market criteria. We've been improvising our curriculum day by day, because every month when I've been interacting with the HRs from different companies, when they do reach out for trained resources from us, I'm discussing with them why and how that recruitments are happening. Techno functional, they are looking. That is the reason our training also, we have merged both and we are offering in a span of 3 months. Generally, you might get a training for 45 days to 2 months. Here it will go for 3 months of duration. The reason is both will be covered, team. So in a project, if you ask me, for example, 10 employees are working. Okay. The weightage I will tell you. Some people will think that, Kumar, technical only two concepts are there. If I quickly learn them, can I drop the resume? You can drop, but the calls, whether you will receive or not, is a question mark. Why? Because if you take in a project team, if 7 to 8 will be functional resources team. In a project, weightage I'm talking about. Technical, hardly 2 to 3 resources. Now you tell me how demand only for technical is there. That is the reason you also learn techno-functional. That is the most demanded technology. If you want, try it out. Prepare one resume after the training when you are going for the interviews. Just prepare only functional, only technical, drop it. Check the kind of calls you're receiving every week. If you drop a resume with techno-functional consultant, check out how the demand is. Simple, team. As many skills you have, that you are demanded, that simple. If your resume have more skills, you are of high demand. If your resume is 1 or 2 skills, who will care why you are required to them? It's a burden to them. Simple. So techno functional consultant you have to keep. Now coming to the main part, what we are going to cover as part of this training program. Okay, it's going to be a techno-functional Oracle HCM Cloud program team, where we will be covering these modules from functional: core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and also the part of compensation. Benefits we are not covering. Compensation, we will give the external sources of videos on this team. But these will be covered on live. So core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation. 5 modules will be covered. From technical, these all will be covered to you. Okay, whatever I bolded here, that all will be part and parcel of the program. Kumar, what about OTL, OLC, ORC? See, no one will have the knowledge on all the modules. Definitely, I'm telling you. As we are trainers, we are left out with no option. Have to train any requirement. Sometimes you, or many of the times for corporate requirements, I have to train. We forcibly need to learn. That's our business, that our bread and butter. But in reality, whenever you working as an employee on this technology, no one will have knowledge on all the aspects, team. Your profile, if you keep these modules, they are more than sufficient. Not only for entering the company, Even after entering the next 10-15 years of your survival also will be their team. So at least these 4 to 5 modules from functional and these concept of technical you can keep. BA reports, if you are not okay with this SQL, straight away skip that team, not mandatory. If you keep security, workflows, customization, inbound, fast formula, or OTBI, sufficient. Still, your profile will be techno-functional. Each and everything you don't need to keep. In our placement training, at the end of the batch, I will take some sessions on placement point of view, interview preparation point of view. During that time, me and the placement team will be involving and we will teach you which modules you have to keep primarily in the resume. What roles and responsibilities you have to mention in the resume. Fresher means how to prepare. Experienced means if anyone going with some experiences, 3 years or 4 years of relevant, if you're showing what sort of projects to keep in that place, what roles and responsibilities to keep, we will be hand holding you. Don't worry. During that time, we will let you know. But as part of this training, these will be covered team. Now coming to the course features. Okay. Coming to the course features team. What will be the timings of the program? It's going to be 3 months end-to-end implementation training. Okay. Monday to Friday, the schedule will be. Today is a demo. I started lately and also closing the session bit late. But from tomorrow onwards, our regular classes will be starting. Strictly, the timing will be 7:30 to 8:30. Sharp. Please, I request everyone join by 7:30 because I have the session post 8:30 for one of the corporate client. I'm giving the night training team for US client. 7:30 to 8:30, the session will be sharp. I request everyone, please join the Zoom. My Zoom will on by 7:29 p.m. every day. Please join by 7:30 every day. Monday to Friday, 3 months. In this training, what benefits you will be getting? Along with the live training, you will be getting lifetime access to the recording. Recording means we will not provide you in the drive folder or something. If you go to our website, triotechsoftwaretrainings.com, we have a dedicated learning portal. If you go to this live classes login, today after the enrollment, many of you who have already completed the enrollments, no need to worry. Probably by tonight or tomorrow morning, you will get the emails regarding the portal access team. So once you go to live classes, your user ID and password will be created to you after the enrollment. Put your user ID and password and log in here team. Okay. So once you log in here, you will be entering into your course dashboard. If you come to enrolled courses here, you can able to see the course that you enrolled for. Okay. So if you click on your course here team, you can able to see all the sessions every day getting uploaded. Just click on that session that will get played here team. Okay. You can have the session viewed here. So every day sessions will be uploaded in the sequential order, topic wise, whatever that we are going through, every topic wise. This portal access for lifetime you will be getting. So today after you receiving the access, you can reset the password of your portal. That will be for lifetime. And most importantly, I'm going to tell you one thing here. One device per user limit will be there because we have faced some issues in the market team. So we restricted the login to our students because our content is more important for us. So one device per user. If you have any extra, please inform to the team. They will help you out with the IP and they will add. Okay. Then team, as part of this, you will also get 5 months of Oracle server access. We have both private and public server team. Everywhere you will get public server, training environments only. Every 3 days, 4 days, they will refresh, all the data will be losing. But we provide dedicated private server for the 5 months of period. You will get 5 months Oracle server access of both private and public. Full project implementation you can do in that. And for every module, we will provide you the real-time project assignment. In my projects, whatever that I've been working through, I'll be consolidating that requirements and I'll be sharing team. This materials drive folder you will be getting team. In that module wise, you have the folders: absence module, compensation module, core HR module, fast formula, outbound, inbound. Then if you go to assignments here team, for each module, you have the assignments also coming up here. This is one of the real-time assignment for absence module. We'll give you the requirement of the client and we will ask you to configure in the system. And you have to submit us, we will be verifying that team. So assignments for every module where you will be having the hands-on projects experience to you. Now, a part of these offerings team, from placement point of view, what all support you will get from Triotech. See, as I mentioned to you, since 2015 we are in the industry and many students been passed through. Many of the students now working in different companies in the project manager level, team lead level, some are into director level also. They will be referring or they will be reaching out for the trained resources. Not only they, many HRs from different companies will be reaching out to us for trained resources every month. So from our side, we will also share the profiles to the companies for the interviews to get scheduled. On top of that, before, our placement team dedicatedly supports you with the resume preparation. Fresher means how to prepare. Experienced means projects how to keep. I'm going to personally take the session on that workshops, how to prepare the resume, how to prepare the experienced resume and all. And I'll be hand-holding to you how to prepare team. Some bunch of sample resumes we will provide. You can create the draft resume by going through that class. Then you can share it with our placement team in Hyderabad. They will evaluate. If you are from Hyderabad only, please come to the office every day, sit over there, every day practice from there, be in touch with that team. If you are not from Hyderabad also, don't worry. We are available over call or WhatsApp. Everything will be done over online. Okay. Resume preparation happens team. And for every module, interview question and answers will be given to you. It's not questions team. Question and answer. We have more than 500 or 600 questions close to across the module. This is for absence module. Then this is for core HR module. Just for your reference, I'm showing. This is for technical, HEDL, HSDL. This is for payroll. Not only freshers, scenario based questions also we've been consolidated, because I have a habit team. Every student who attending the interviews after our mock sessions, when they attending the real-time interviews team, who particularly sit in Hyderabad office and attending, I'll ask them to record every interview, because in the next interview I can discuss with them. That is what this session we recently uploaded also in the YouTube. Live interview questions breakdown to students. I have collated all the interview questions, what they are experiencing when they are attending currently. Just 4 days back, I uploaded this. If you could watch this, what I'm going to tell, how we are going to support, you can understand. We will be taking up the questions from them and I'll be addressing them to every one of the students team. So here it's a kind of group chit chat will be there, where we will be consolidating that materials and we will be sharing it to you. You can able to refer it. This will be very important for every one of you during your interview preparation. You can consider this as an all-in-one in your 10th standard. If you refer them, at least 60 to 70% of the questions repetitively you can expect from this repository. 30% definitely you have to answer sensibly with your knowledge. Okay. Interview question and answers will provide. Not only this, company-wise repository, Deloitte interview questions, Capgemini interview questions, TCS interview questions, Cognizant interview question. We have also consolidated the repository like that team. We have a very huge repository for interview questions. Then sample resumes will be given to you for your preparation point of view, and our team will evaluate. And for every module, customized material on top of Oracle delivered material team. Customized material with screenshots and navigation. If you forgot to attend the session today, you don't have the time to watch the recording also. Everything documented, every hour what we discuss gets documented here, team. If you just walk through this entire core HR module document of 130 page size, you can implement core HR module, team, just putting this document with you. So this materials for every module we will provide along with the assignments. And for outbound integrations like BI, OTBI, ready-made SQL queries, ready-made templates, ready-made what do you say, real-time requirement catalog files, everything we will provide here, team. And also, the most important thing, whenever I conduct the session on real-time project implementation, because when you attend the interview, some generic questions will hit you in the initial time to understand whether you are knowledgeable or not. They will ask you like, can you tell me what are your day-to-day responsibilities in the project? Or can you tell me in which phase of the project currently you are working? Or can you explain to and fro entire implementation methodology that your company will follow? So this workshop is going to helpful to you. So when I'm going to explain this, we have different documents, team. RD50, requirement gathering, BP80, CV10, then we have test scripts, TE40, then user manuals, DO70, BR100. Each document, this is one of the solution designing document for your reference I'm sharing, team, for absence management module. Okay, then few of the requirement gathering questionnaires. This is for core HR module, how we collect the requirement from the client. Then this is for payroll module. Okay, for each element, how we collect the requirement. Then this is for other module we have, team. These documents also we will be sharing to you live. That will give you the most realistic understanding about the real-time documents as well in the system. Right, team? So as part of the training, we provide a dedicated material and also a dedicated placement support as well, team. Then we have Q&A after the class immediately every day. And also morning 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. our support team will be available. Support team means not admins. My co-trainers, my colleagues who working in different MNCs will be working as a support trainers in Triotech. So they will be handling this team. So you can call or you can WhatsApp them between Monday to Friday. They will be available. One-to-one doubts assistance will be there. And as I mentioned to you, we will be helping out with the referrals as well, team. You can see few of the student success stories. Only few of them I have mentioned in the PPT. Everything I can't mention. We have hundreds of success stories. Directly the screenshot from the students when they got selected with a happy note when they shared back their success messages here, team. Okay, then you can see this also Anugrah, Sandeep, okay, Vijay Lakshmi, Trinath, and few of them have openly shared their feedbacks where we uploaded in our YouTube or Instagram channel. So these are the different students live testimonials you can see directly in our YouTube or Instagram channel, team. So we recently have a very good placement track record, team, like Covian Consulting. Every one of you might aware of that, one of the leading ERP service provider in the market, Covian Consulting. If you Google it also, you can find. Or Apps Associate or DriveStream, Mastech, when they conducted the Freshers Drive, particularly from from Triotech team. In Covian, 8 resources have been selected, team. And from Apps Associate also, we have 7 resources who got selected. And now they became on roll with permanent with a good packages as well. Fresher with a package of 5.5 apps associate have been taken from Triotech. 7 students have been selected in the last couple of months, team. You can see them that what we posted in our YouTube or Instagram or in the Google reviews that you can able to find them. Few of the students success stories you can able to find here as well. Okay. And then directly you can find out us in the Google. We are present everywhere in the social platforms in the Google. Directly you can find out the reviews. And if any one of you from Hyderabad, please reach out to Hyderabad office. We are beside Nexus Mall in Hyderabad in KPHB 9th phase, team. If you want to come to office every day, sit in the office and you want to practice, happily you can come. Right. Now coming to the course offering and price. So generally the price of the course will be 25,000 plus GST it will be. But as far as the festivals are concerned, we've been providing with a discount price with some additional benefits. Only for the people enrolling today, we are providing with this early bird offer team 22,999 plus GST. What additional benefits you will be getting in this 22,999? Additional 2 months of server access worth 8,000. Means generally we provide 5 months server access team. But people who enrolling in this registration of early bird, you will get 2 months additional. Total 7 months Fusion private server access. Okay. You go and inquire generally the private server. No institute can provide, but if they provide also, they will charge per month 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. 2 months additional server access you will get. And also the most important thing is Oracle certification dumps. Dumps means whenever anyone writing a Oracle certification, the question and answers, what you will be getting in that exam, we will be readily having the documents with us team. That worth rupees 5,000 for every module, core HR, absence, payroll, whatever you are going to write team. In tomorrow's session, I'm going to let you know how the certification will work. The dumps worth 5,000 also you will be getting. So total worth of 13,000 additional benefits you will get, including some project templates. Whenever you working in the real-time projects, in HCDL particularly, we have a concept here called HCM data loader. We have ready-made built-in templates for this. So people enrolling in this early bird registration, we additionally providing this support as well, where you can directly use ready-made templates even in your projects. And also team, project fast formula templates. We have consolidated several real-time requirements in the fast formula and we compiled together team. More than 200 requirements. Directly the formulas have been built where you can copy paste and use it in the real time. So this ready-made project fast formula template guides will be provided to you as well as part of this registration. So along with the 13,000 worth benefits, you will be getting these additional benefits also as part of this discount. Generally for every batch, either of the other things, we will be providing the offer for the day one enrolled participants team. So strictly the offer will be only for day one enrollments. And from tomorrow, the batch is going to start every day evening 7:30 p.m. People who completed the registrations, you will be getting a new Zoom meeting link tomorrow to attend the session. And you will also be added into the WhatsApp community today or tomorrow morning. Two things will get to everyone team after the payment. Okay. One will be this portal access. You will get an email from our company with your account creation, user ID and password. Please do check out from your end. Second, your number will be added into the WhatsApp community. Going forward from tomorrow, any communication that I want to do with you regarding the class schedule or any material that I want to share, anything, I'll be communicating from WhatsApp community. From your side also, please do check out these two things. Whether you received the email, second, you are added into the WhatsApp or not. So already it's late today. Most probably after the enrollments today to midnight today or early in the morning, you will be receiving the emails from our team. So please do check out and confirm from your side as well, team. Okay. So this is about the course fee and the valid discount that for today team. Our team have been sharing the payment link in the Zoom chat. You can click on that link and you can confirm your registration. Or after the session, our team will also reach out in the WhatsApp in the display number here team 8179563510. If you want to reach out, you can reach out and you can confirm your registration team. So I request everyone, please click on that link and complete your payment and register and send your payment screenshot to the given numbers over there. Okay. So this is about today's demo that we planned for. In tomorrow's session, I will continue with Oracle Knowledge Repository and certification process. And also, I will start with the Fusion application introduction, how we can access Fusion application team. So from tomorrow, regular classes will start. Okay. So now let me move on to the Q&A. So any questions with respective to the today's discussion you people have? One request team, anything related to your personal experiences. Off the record I am talking. Okay. Because we'll upload this session in the YouTube, but just off the record I am talking, try to understand. Anything related to your experiences, updating your experiences into relevant of Fusion, let's discuss that offline, because we have all students or all candidates in the call. That is not good to discuss here officially. That we can discuss offline. A part of that, any subject related or anything, please let me know. I'll address your queries. Yeah.
Hello.
Peterji.
Yeah. Hi,
Yes,
Kumar.
please.
Hi, Kumar. Kumar, good evening.
One
Surya
at time.
from
Yeah.
Strategy, right?
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
I can hear you. Please tell me.
Yeah, it was a very fantastic introductory session, I must tell you. And I'm
Thank you.
really very convinced that I have chosen the right institute to get myself certified. Kumar,
Thank you
just
very
one
much.
question that
Yeah.
you said that there is one user or one device per user, right? But sometimes what happens is that I have to attend the call like from mobile, laptop, or sometimes like anything.
That's
Depends
what,
upon.
Chatterjee, you mentioned to the team initially only, so that they will extend access to that. No worries in that. See, the problem that
Okay.
we restricted is not for keeping everyone in mind. We've been observing some of the people been using our content and they are selling, cross-selling outside. So to stop that, we have
Okay.
enabled
Okay.
some API feature in that auto tracking system. That's all.
Okay.
No worries.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So according,
Hi.
thank you so much, Kumar.
Hi,
Thank you
Kumar.
for that.
Good.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah.
Hi,
Person
Kumar.
by name iPhone. Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, it was a very good session. So
Thank
I
you.
thought, like, I have a question, like,
Mhm.
how the, like, in Oracle Fusion AI impact will
Mhm.
be, like, it will get impact on the, in
Good,
this
good
model
question.
also.
Actually, I supposed to tell that I forgot, but thanks for that. See, not
And
only
one more thing, yeah,
ah,
will this course is enough to, showcase as
actually,
a 3 to 4 years experience? These two questions I have. Yeah, you can proceed.
definitely. See, after this training, I can say very confidently, team, just I'm keeping a few of you in mute. Don't worry, you can unmute again. Some disturbance is coming. See, after this training, I can say very confidently, if you put 3 months of efforts, every day 1 hour class without missing, if you attend, whatever the assignments I'm giving you, whatever the class notes I'm giving you, if you be prepared with very commitment for 3 months, daily 1 hour class and more 1 or 2 hours of practice every day, or at least over the weekends if you compensate that time, definitely after this training, 4 to 5 years of experienced person in the real time, to what extent the real time knowledge he will grab in the system, you will be also in par or at that level of knowledge. So absolutely you will be able to handle direct implementation by your own after the training. To that extent, I'll take you. That is no option, no worries in that. And coming to your first question, any impact of AI, not only you, many of you in the call or generally many days, I mean, when we have been interacting, this question is commonly being asked because it's a buzzword everywhere in the market now, AI replacing. Our news channels also bombarding like anything, like AI is coming, your jobs are losing, or you also have recently Oracle laid off some thousands of employees somewhere. These all questions we have. But see, AI is a tool or a technology that will be used in the Oracle Fusion for the betterment of the usage of the application. no replacement of jobs in this domain will have with AI. Already we are using AI in this technology, but not as a replacement of human or an employee. For the betterment of the usage of the system, how conveniently, how deeply we will use the system, their AI role in the Fusion system is there. We are going to see that as well in the coming days in the training. But replacement of people who working in this domain, AI taking care of the configurations, no, because the blessed part we are here is every client will have a unique requirement. Every client will come with a unique requirement. So definitely a human mind is needed. We have to configure and we have to deliver to the client. So no doubt in this, AI will be impacting our jobs. Whose jobs have been lost? Why Oracle removed people or lay off people in US or some countries means there are some saturated technologies in the market, even in Oracle also. DBS, testings, okay, manual testers. These have been impacted mostly, not the ERP application people. So in every domain, these layoffs are common, but not in the ERP segment. And more extending answer to that, not only now, in 2009, we have seen a very big recession. Then 2014, we have seen any recession you see people working in the ERP applications will never get impacted. I'll tell you the reason also because these are the applications used in the companies for the day-to-day running of the business. These are not cosmetic applications or these are not a fancy application, something. These are by default to run the show, to run the company. These applications will be used in the day-to-day life. So people working in this have never been impacted with any type of recessions across the world. We might have a slight touch of that, but losing the jobs because of recession and all, we never faced in this. Until unless you are burdened to the company, you are knowledge wise dumb, then company might take you off. That's a different story. Okay. Next, Arun, Raj, anyone, please.
Yeah.
Hi.
Don't go ahead.
Arun,
Sorry.
Raj, anyone, please.
Okay.
This is Santosh. I have some questions.
Santosh, please.
Yeah. Suppose if I'm an experienced person from other technology, so how can I fit into this learning
From
process?
other technology means, can I know you are from which background, Santosh?
It's of IT only, but I'm an experienced quite fine. So
In what? Maps?
no, not IT side only.
Fine. See, generally the IT people, what they will tell is,
I mean in legacy technology. I'm working in
understood,
legacy
you might be
technology. So,
into PeopleSoft or EBS, some legacy system, something. Generally, you can
yeah.
change that roles and responsibilities. Simple. See, I'm not telling you to manipulate the employment here. Just I'm telling you to update the
No,
roles
we
and
are not.
responsibilities.
Yeah. But the thing is that how we can frequent opportunities in this area. So
See,
how
please continue. I'll confirm. I'm coming to
so how we can fit it into uh, uh,
that.
or how we can evaluate in this area in current career opportunities.
Understood. See, currently in the market, Oracle HCM Cloud applications are performing very well, as I mentioned. From the recruitment point of view, very good recruitment is going on, even now in the year-end closings, no doubt in that. But you people like having a prior IT experiences, what you people can do is, whatever the current application or the technology you are working, try to update last 2 years or 3 years, update your resume in such a way that you've been shifted to Oracle Fusion applications from last 3 to 4 years and you are working in the project implementations in this domain. So
Hmm.
if you could update your resume in such a way, HRs will be considering your profile whenever you're applying in the Naukri or different job portals because at this point of time, having some 8 years or 10 years of IT experience, and if you say that you just trained on this and you are moving, companies might not be thinking your profile as a choice to them. So try to update slight flavor of HCM knowledge into the resume. So it's not something we are doing wrong or something. It's a very common thing.
I mean,
Everyone will take the roles and responsibility. Okay.
yeah, you may mention like a combination of both technologies, so you can include.
Exactly. You have to go like that. Okay, next.
Yeah,
Hello, hello,
Hello.
Kumar. Hi,
So, Kumar, thank you very
Ajit
much
here.
for this
Hello,
demo.
Kumar.
Very
Ajit
good.
here.
Raj, I think Raj is continuing. Raj, continue.
Yeah.
Ajit, I will come to you. Raj, please.
So, yes, Kumar, Mr.
Yeah.
Kumar.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Kumar, you conducted a very good demo today,
Thank
and
you,
I am
Raj.
convinced I want to join. Like I have talked to you before. Now, there are a couple of things which I need to do quickly, like security. So, if because I have joined a job which I'm going to start next month,
Acha,
where they
okay.
want me to be a security admin for Fusion, plus they want me to do SaaS. Now,
Okay.
in SaaS also they want me to do security administration. So I want
Okay.
to ask you, what is the difference between the SaaS and the Fusion security admin? And
No.
as a Fusion people in a company, what do you
Okay.
do in the SaaS? I mean, I am certified OCI architect
Understood.
associate.
Understood. Yeah.
Please.
See, Raj, basically, all the technologies that Oracle offering have been categorized into different platforms. We have SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service. All our Fusion application, HCM, finance, supply chain, CRM, procurement are SaaS application. These all are SaaS only. Even our training that what we conducting, Oracle HCM training for 3 months of period on the SaaS platform only. These all are our SaaS applications with the limited option of customization. We have customization, but not entirely developing the new applications in that, new functionalities in that we cannot do. We have a limitation. But pass something on top of SaaS will come, where Oracle gives some additional tools and technologies for us, where we can build our own custom application, our own custom pages, our own custom integrations with third-party systems. Like that, Oracle segregated their licensing according to SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. In your case, as per my knowledge, SaaS security means whatever we deal in the Fusion security only, your role will be handling the account access management of the employee, role access, customizing the security, data restrictions. These all will come into the picture.
Okay. Another question I want to ask you is that
Mm.
I was also looking at the technical and plus OIC course.
That's a different platform, Raj, actually. I mean, different training we are offering. Piyush will take that, my another trainer, where we
Yeah.
started that recently. Morning 7 to 8, that batch happening. Last week we started 5-6 sessions completed.
Yeah,
That
I
you can
went
discuss
to it.
offline with the admin team. They will help you out with the details. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Arun.
do
Yeah.
we down the road, like for example, you want to do in my case, I eventually want to land up as a implementation director or something with my a lot of project
Then
management experience.
go with HCM techno functional only.
Yeah. No, that
Technical
of
plus
course.
OIC will not land up you in that kind of roles, management roles.
Okay. Now, can it correlate with something called the like OAC? I've done OBI before, and also the
See, having
Fusion.
that technical skill is fair enough, but ultimately people in the director level or kind of retirement levels, ERP knowledges are very important. Any functional thing, HCM, finance or supply chain. That we'll discuss, Raj. That is out. I mean, something personally I have to discuss with you. We'll discuss that. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
No worries.
hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Bindu.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, this is Bindu.
Yeah, Bindu.
Actually, right now I'm working as a senior Angular developer. I want to shift my career to this. Okay. Like there are many modules as of now. However, you have mentioned everything. I have like a little idea on these concepts, but I'm not over into it.
Okay.
But according to all these modules, I also want to learn OLC.
Oracle Learning Cloud.
Yeah.
OLC as of now we not covering because already 3 months of time being spent with this only. I'll support with you some sort of external videos or documents related to that. You can explore that because OLC is not a big module. Hardly it will take 5-6 hours only. We'll try, but I can't fit in. I can't assure you.
Yeah, okay, okay.
No.
Small doubt, like
Yeah.
as I'm like on the development side,
Hmm.
as an Angular developer, like did my career fit into it like completely or
But
something like
my
that?
doubt is you are an Angular developer. How come you have the knowledge on these modules? I mean, any project related to this also you're part and parcel or what?
No. Actually, one of my friend suggested me this is like
Acha,
a
okay.
future building thing. It helps me.
Got it. Got it.
So I
No
thought to
worries.
work out on it. So I got just some knowledge on your YouTube
I
videos
understood.
and something
Understood.
like that.
Understood, Bindu. No worries. See, same thing I can tell you. From Angular, from manual testings, from DBS, people for the next career path for next 10-15 years, you have to be on a very good, safe tool. Definitely, this will be a best option to you. Same, whatever I suggested for the previous person, try to update the resume with showcasing some sort of relevant knowledge of HCM and you try it out. No worries.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, actually, I also have like 10 years of experience on this Angular.
Oh, good. Okay.
That other part of thing, for my doubt is like, did I fit completely into this or not? That's it.
100% you will be fit. No worries in that because you're already holding good sum of experience with you. So just you are changing your technology, that's all. So there is nothing that you are not fitting here. Anyone from any background can learn it. It's an open tool for anyone.
Yeah. And one more thing, actually, right now I'm staying in US.
Okay.
So the market, according to the market from US, do you have any like specific idea like it will work here?
Yeah, we have many other folks also from US today. See, for all the US people, I'm telling, generally in US market, PeopleSoft HRMS was the market leader. Very tough competitor to SAP Success Factors way back. But when Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, all that customers been moving to Oracle Fusion HCM. That is the point where very good recruitment is going on in the US area. I have one recent success story from US also in the slide I mentioned. A person with 7 years of experience portraying in this, she got some 110K package in this domain. I'm not telling for everyone, but we have that kind of recruitments are going on. And many consultancies from US, they will train their students also with our training institute because there are good number of openings in this domain. Even if you drop it in your regular local job portals also, you can see many contracting positions, permanent positions are there.
Okay. And Kumar, as you mentioned, you are like a software worker as a solution architect. Like, what it mean? Like, so what the solution architect generally does?
Generally, at one point of time, as per your experience level increases, you will be the key person in the project for designing the solution. Means receiving the client requirement, understanding that requirement, and proposing the configurational solution. Like you asked this, and this is what going to be configured in the system. We are having these functionalities for your requirement. We have to configure these all things in the system, and you are going to use the system like this. This entire architectural designing, everything will be involving by the solution architects in the team. The junior level resources or the mid level resources will be coming under them who will be supporting in their day-to-day configurations and all. But the key decision of the project will be designed by the solution architects in the project. Okay, let's move to
Okay.
another people. Arun,
Yeah.
Anil,
Thank
Vijay.
you.
Hello.
Thank you
Hello.
Hi,
very much.
Kumar. This is Anil here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Anil, please continue.
I have a question to ask you is about how can you define about your Oracle is better than other competitor clouds like SAP SuccessFactors or some other things?
Valid question. We have many competitors in the market.
Yeah,
Oracle,
nowadays it is.
SAP, Workday, Salesforce, many things are there. But as I
Yeah,
mentioned already, Anil, or anyone who having this doubt, SAP since last 45 years in the market, it's there. SAP is
yeah,
equally doing good, but there is a saturation that we've been seeing in the SAP in the sense of resources in the market. Means as it is there in the last 45 years, huge number of people in the market are already there who know SAP, who working in SAP. So incremental hikes or incremental recruitments are going on. full recruitments or high packages offering are not being done, right? But
Ah.
whereas Oracle from EBS, they advanced to Fusion, all way around they launched a new age product, completely different. EBS is different, Fusion is different. EBS consultant directly cannot jump into Fusion and can't work until unless he trained or he have the knowledge. That is the area where Fusion having good number of recruitments going on because the resources are not available and product became very successful in the cloud front where many customers moved towards Fusion from PeopleSoft EBS. Huge resource crunch is there. That is one thing. Workday we cannot compare with Oracle. Why? Because Workday came into the market from the PeopleSoft ex-owners. They sold their product to Oracle and they developed Workday and they launched it. Currently, Workday having customers only in the US segment mostly. It's not spreaded across the world. It will take more time to spread across the world. So it's a niche product confined to US market and Canada market. Opportunity wise, if you see, obviously there will be less. And moreover, certifications mandatorily they're asking to recruit you. But whereas Oracle, it's a kind of Android. Huge number of customers will be there. Opportunities are also there. So if you look in this macro level, obviously kind of opportunities you have, the kind of salaries you have, long lasting shelf life, obviously Oracle is better.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for
Thank
clearing that
you.
out.
Yeah.
Hello, Kumar. Hi, Ajit here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, hi, Ajit here, Kumar.
Ajit.
I spoke to you earlier. I think the course content and the demo session is really good. Just wanted to acknowledge
Thank
it.
you, Ajit. Yeah.
I'll be happy to be a part of Triotech team.
Sure,
To attend
Ajit.
session.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Just
Thank
that
you.
one more small thing just come across. See, I often, which space do I come from? I'm from Oracle EBS background. We're in 15 plus into Oracle. I mean, I serve as an Oracle architect. Just
Okay.
OTL, a lot of requirements, I come across usually. I know it's not a part of the overall curriculum, right? But will you have some stuff, wherein after covering this, maybe we can be able to extend our
So
knowledge
you're
in
asking about the
OTL as well.
OTL concepts, huh?
OTL, yeah. Just after
OTL,
covering,
I will try to get some
or maybe
exceptional
if we are
content
be
and
able
I'll
to
give you. No
practice,
worries.
or if we are be able to
I'll
practice
try
it
to share
into
that.
the instance, if practice is possible into the instance, maybe
Practice
later.
is definitely doable. I won't
Ah,
restrict the
oh,
practice terms. You can do that. No worries. Okay.
thank you. Just wanted to acknowledge,
No
very
worries. No
happy to
worries.
be a part of
Thank you.
it.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Anik.
Hi, sir. Prajwal this
Prajwal.
side.
Yes,
Yeah.
Prajwal.
Sir, I am working as a recruitment consulting. I mean, IT recruiter from past 3 years.
I'm waiting
From
because many
yeah,
people from US staffing recruitment will be there. Yes, please come. Yeah.
yeah. So from past 1 month, I'm not working right now due to family issues. I resigned from my current organization and I'm
Okay.
not working right now. So
Okay.
this course I came across from your YouTube and Instagram, so I just enrolled it. So after 3 months or 3 to 4 months after this course completion, will I be a good fit from a recruitment background to Oracle Fusion Consultant? So that was my question.
Definitely, Prajwal. Not only you, people from recruitment background in the call today, I can tell you because I know few of you are from that backgrounds only. Generally, how you people have to plan your profile is whenever you're dropping the resume, you have to portray some sort of relevance knowledge in this technology you are already having in your current work experiences. How you can tell like in your current organization where you are working as a recruiters, your company or the client using Oracle HCM Cloud in their day-to-day HR activities, and you've been working as an end user to that day-to-day activities to perform. Now you are planning to move to the implementation side. Rather than telling that I worked till now as a HR and now I learned the program from some institute and I'm trying to switch. There are companies who will consider this also. But majority of the times, companies will look at some sort of relevancy in your profile, whether you have some realistic experience or not. For that matter, I usually tell the HR people to update your profile in such a way that in your current organization, your client or your company using Oracle HCM Cloud, you've been working as an end user to that technology so far. Now you are moving to the implementation side because generally it's a vast market. No one will have the that granular information about whether your client using Oracle or SAP or Workday. Some of the other ERP your company definitely will use. Either Oracle, they might use KK, they might use some other localized HR. But just we have to add this also in the profile so that they can able to select your profile in the recruitment stage, right? So that's all for today, team. I'll conclude here for today. If anyone have further questions, definitely you can reach out to us offline tonight or tomorrow morning. So I request everyone again, team, please complete your registrations today. The offer will be strictly valid for tonight. We have given the payment link in the Zoom chat. Please click on that link. I request admin team, please post the link again in the Zoom chat. They will get notified. Please share your screenshot to the respective phone numbers we given team. If you are not sharing the screenshot, we will be missing the track among all these numbers. Okay. Please share out that. So you will be getting your portal access, adding to the WhatsApp community and Drive link. And tomorrow's class meeting link before 1 hour, you will receive to your registered WhatsApp number while you are registering today. So tomorrow onwards, we are starting our regular classes. Evening 7:30 sharp. I request everyone to please join the call. 8:30, I can leave you. Like today, definitely I won't extend this much of time. So again, I want to thank every one of you joining for this long time and being in the call till at this point of time. I'm really sorry troubling you to keep on wait, but as it's a demo, I have to speak more to explain you what is the reality of this technology, how good is in this market, all this stuff. Okay. So thank you everyone once again, team. We'll join back tomorrow and we'll start with our